Righto, we're back home and we're gonna cook the octopus, and I'm gonna marinate it, and then we're gonna do it on the char griller. So first of all, we want to cook it to tenderize it. So I've got a couple of peppercorns, it's about 4 there, a couple of bay leaves, some chopped carrot, just roughly chopped, half an onion chopped into chunks. If you've got celery, you can chuck a stick of celery in there. And I've just got a bit of parsley as well, chuck that in. Our octopus, so take the beak out, just pop up, push up from the bottom, that'll pop out, here it comes, just like that. And then we just want to get rid of the eyes and the head as well, so we'll just chop that off. Other than that, we're just going to leave the octopus whole. It's pretty much just the tentacles we've got there. So he goes into the pot, and then we're going to put enough water, cold water, to just cover him. That's enough. What I'm going to do now is bring it up to the boil, and then we want to simmer it for probably an hour to an hour and a half until you poke a knife into it and it feels nice and tender. I'll chuck the lid on there just to speed it up a bit. Once it's reached the right tenderness, then we just take it off the heat and we let it cool down in that liquid. So it's just come to the boil, so now I'm going to turn it right down to low and simmer it for an hour. We're about halfway through. It's been going for 40 minutes it's been simmering for. So we'll give it another 20 minutes and then we'll stick a knife into it and see how tender it is. So this has been simmering for just over an hour. So we'll see how it feels. Yeah, I think that'll probably do it. We'll just leave it in there to cool down now. Well, our octopus has cooled down in the liquid, so we're going to marinate it now. So I just got a clove of garlic and a few leaves of fresh oregano. I squeezed half a lemon into it. And I've got roughly quarter cup of white wine vinegar and about half a cup of extra virgin olive oil. Some cracked pepper, salt. Just give that a little stir around. Mix it up. Octopus, take him out of the water. And we'll just chop him into bite-sized chunks. Probably about an inch or so long, and straight into the marinade. Mix it up so it's all coated. Now we're going to marinate that for a minimum of 2 hours. And up to 24 hours won't hurt it. And once that's done, then we'll chuck it on the char griller and grill it up. So the marinated octopus, it's been in there for about, I don't know, 8 hours, 9 hours. Hot char grill. Well, that's been on there for about 4 minutes, so I think that's pretty well enough. And we'll just finish it off with a little bit of freshly chopped oregano.